Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. By the way, ito yung ibang details, no? If you want to follow me on Facebook, open ako sa personal reading ngayon. At yung TikTok shop namin, if you want to avail yung mga product namin, ayan, ipuntahan mo na lang. Let's start what we have here for the sign of, for the sign of, ano to? For the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Sana mag-comment kayo dyan sa baba kahit heart-heart lang smileys. Malaking bagay yun sa akin. Nagpapakita ng suporta, pagmamahal, at natutuwa akong mag-reading kapag nagbibigay kayo ng mga comments sa akin. And yeah, sana positive comment lang. Kasi hindi kami nag-entertain ng negativity dito sa ating channel. Okay, let's start your reading. Kung ayaw mo ng ganitong klaseng reading, pwede ka namang mag-next video, mag-next channel. Nasa inyo po yan. For the sign of Earth sign, anong messages dito? Love reading to, guys. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles. 6 of Cups is here, and the 7 of Swords. Yeah, there's someone in the past. Or eto, dalawa lang yan. Could be a person in the past na iniwasan mo, nilalayuan mo ngayon, gusto mo nang alisan. Or a person na parang binigay mo lahat sa kanya pero hindi mo nakita yung value or hindi niya nakita yung value or yung halaga ng mga binigay mo. And there's this feeling na parang ayoko na kasi binigay ko naman na lahat tapos wala naman ako na pala. And this is you want to get out of your comfort zone. You are planning actually with the Two of Wands. May pagpaplano na sa'yo with the Queen of Cups. Because hindi ka naman nagkulang. Hindi, sumobra pa nga actually. And I feel like for some of you, you do have your the Two of Pentacles. May mga bago ka ng priorities ngayon. And looking forward ka na magkaroon ng growth, pagbabago sa buhay mo ngayon. And maybe that includes leaving a situation, a person, or a connection, getting rid of the connection, pag-alis sa connection, nasabihin na natin, ikaw yung mas higit na nagbigay, ikaw yung mas higit na nag-effort, ikaw yung, alam mo yun, yung parang, ikaw lagi, parang ganun. So, ano yung connection? Sino tong person na to? Nakakonect mo. Person nakakonect mo. Pasensya mo na talaga, guys. Medyo iba yung boses ko ngayon. So, ito na yung pinaka-best ko. Kung ano yung pinaka-best ko na ma-deliver sa iyo, yun na lang muna sa ngayon. Pasensya mo na. So, sino tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? Okay, may lumabas dito, Page of Wands, and the Ten of Cups, Six of Swords. Inom lang ako, guys. Page of Wands could be someone who is younger than you or may children or child na involved sa inyo. Page of Wands is showing as a child. Kung hindi man, this person could be may communication sa inyo. Ten of Cups could be someone na may family na involved or may pamilya kayo, pamilyado na itong taong ito or may pamilya kayo nitong taong ito. You know, the Six of Swords, it's like you're already moving on. Wait lang. Six of Swords or naka-move on ka na dito sa person na to. Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, you feel like nothing is growing sa inyong dalawa. Walang nag-grow sa inyo. And the Page of Wands. Nakikita niya or nararamdaman niya na medyo umiiwas ka. Medyo umiiwas pagdating sa pakikipag-communicate, etc. So, nakikita niya yun. Emotions mo niya sa isa't isa. What do we have here for Earth sign? Three of Wands, Six of Swords, yeah. Ten of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Gusto ko i-clarify yung Ten of Wands. Three of Pentacles, the World, and the Nine of Pentacles. The Lovers is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Three of Wands, I feel like, the problem dito, yung iba sa inyo, once you are, walking away or lumalayo, there are times na namimiss mo tong person na to. And you need the help of someone, no? Kailangan mo talaga ng tulong ng someone para maka-move on or makaalis sa situation. And, I feel like there's someone talaga or something. Queen of Wands energy, this could be a soulmate, a high priestess. Merong inilaan or ibinigay sa'yo si universe para matulungan ka na makaalis or matulungan kang maka-move on sa situation na ito. Nine of Pentacles, itong person na to could be someone who is there for you. Like, nakakita tayo ng aso dito, ng dog, and that could be, I don't know, could be dealing with a person who loves pets or dog, or someone na very loyal pagdating sa relationship, connection. Pwede may pagkakalayo kayo with the world. And the Three of Pentacles, this person is really listening sa'yo. Siya yung tipo ng taong makikinig sa mga plano mo. Gusto niya maging parte ng plano mo. Gusto niyang makiisa sa'yo. And this person, tatahi-tahimik lang siya pagdating doon. But this person is really interested sa'yo. And I can see an alpha kind of energy. Alpha female, alpha male kind of energy. Alam mo yun. So, could be a leader. Someone na I will give everything. I will try to provide you kung ano yung mga kailangan mo, etc. Ganitong klase ng mindset. And the Two of Pentacles, I feel like itong person na ito is I can see a ship here. You could be dealing with someone na nasa ship or nasa barko, ganyan. Or this person could be someone na mahilig mag-travel. The Ten of Wands, I can see a lot of burden dito sa taong to. Nagpapahirap, nagpapabigat. And ano yun? Pero kaya niya kaya niya. The Eight of Wands could be may kinalaman sa family. I don't know, family mo, family niya. Honestly, yung iba sa inyo, this is a different kind of energy. Could be a different person. Pero nakakita tayo ng person dito who is planning something or may gusto siyang mangyari sa inyo. Could be, eto yung person na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo pagdating sa, pag-move on, pag-alis sa situation. And this person, gagawin niya lahat. This is you, na lahat ng sources mo or lahat ng connection mo, no? Lahat, kung sino man itong mga kausap mo na pwedeng makatulong palalo sa connection ninyo, like friends, family, you are willing to be, gawing part sila nitong connection na ito with this person. And I feel like sooner or later, ipapakita or ipapakilala mo din sila. This is weird kasi ibang energy na to. Yung iba-ibang person to na pwedeng ipakilala mo dito sa mga importanteng tao sa buhay mo. In the near future for you, Earth sign. The High Priestess. The Queen of Wands. Magaling ka mabigay ng advice. Kaya lang ang hirap gawin ng advice na yun pagdating sa sarili mo na, no? Actually, yung iba sa inyo, alam mo rin kung anong dapat mong i-advise sa sarili mo. Hindi mo nga lang ginagawa. The Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords. Okay, what's with the Eight of Swords? Ace of Cups, the Four of Wands, and the King of Cups. Clarify the Eight of Swords, but why is the Eight of Swords here? Page of Swords. Like I can see that. The Page of Swords. Actually, Page of Swords to, pero ang nakikita ko dito is the Knight of Swords. I am seeing a young person, who will be like your knight and shining armor. Tutulungan ka niya makawala or makaalis sa isang sitwasyon na nagpapahirap para sa'yo. This person, ang gusto niya, commitment, relationship, marriage. This person wants you and you alone. You and everything na may kinalaman sa'yo. Yun ang gusto niya. King of Cups. This person wants to offer you, give you everything din naman. Six of Pentacles, pakikipagtulungan lang kailangan dito. Pakikipagtulungan mula sa'yo. Kasi some of you with the High Priestess, Queen of Wands, sabi ko nga, you're already mature, you are spiritually developed. Alam mo yun, nandito ka sa tarot reading sa YouTube to some of you might even own your own set of tarot card or meron kang ibang ways like ibang divinations or anything na may kinalaman sa spiritual practices. Pwedeng may mga ganun ka like tarot deck or crystals, yan, pwede may mga ganyan ka. But I feel like you are really connected sa yung spirit guides, angel guides. Okay, so ayun nga, your knight and shining armor is coming. You have to prepare yourself, be ready. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.